Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, hey, over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha, ha, ha.
Good morning, guys. It's Vlogmas day 11, and we just got back from seminary where we had to take our final, and it was pretty easy, so that's pretty good. So I'm gonna get ready for the day, and then I'll see you in class. We're in econ right now.
Good morning.
I can't zoom in. All right, Jada, take it away.
Hi guys, it's a little rainy outside. Actually, I've been outside, but it looks kind of rainy. School's been going really good. I'm so excited to be here like every other day of my life. I just get so much happiness when I walk in this room. Also, look at my sweatshirt. It's the Nutcracker. We open on Friday, so that's really exciting for me. I'm a mouse queen, so
call me queen because that's what I am.
Bye guys.
All right, I'm on my way to go babysit, and then I'm going bell ringing after that. So I'll probably pick it back up when I'm bell ringing, so I'll see you then. Hey guys, we're here bell ringing. Hi!
It's like texting voice video.
My toes are gonna fall off. I think we're about to sing a song. We already sang. Well, we're gonna sing another one. Okay. There's 30 minutes left and I just got here.
How have you not run out of space?
I have. I've had to delete so many apps just for you guys, for Vlogmas, which you probably don't even care about.
Wait, can I? Hi guys. We're doing Vlogmas. And we're gonna freeze because we're cold. Well, I mean, it's actually not even cold, but like some places, some places will think
only like
it's
50,
warm,
60 to 50. I think it's 50.
I don't know, probably 55. Really? It's so cold for us.
Yeah,
But
Because we usually get like 110, 120 degrees.
So I feel like I'm gonna freeze to death.
Yeah, me too.
But I just straightened my hair and what? I took like an hour doing this. Are you joking?
Into the, no. You're looking pretty good, Emma.
Thanks.
I think I look better though.
Oh.
We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring us right here. I'm the honorary bell ringer. So we just finished at the Hobby Lobby where we what did we do? Oh, we went bell ringing.
In the middle of the road.
Walking in the middle of the road, and there's a car coming. Okay, we're back, and we're still running. Okay. So I'm gonna go pick up Marissa, and they're gonna go home. They literally live across the street from me, but
Cool.
bye. That's pretty much it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.